Chapter 5. We were up at sunrise the next morning, and that day returned to the village where we had left our outfit. We arrived at the village just before dark and pitched our camp under a great banyan tree. The next morning, Emil greeted us, and we all began asking questions. He said, "I do not wonder at your questions, and I will gladly answer all that I can at this time, leaving others until you have gone further into our work. In talking to you as I am, you fully realize that I am using your language to convey to you the one great underlying principle of our belief. When all know the truth and it is rightly interpreted, truly, is it not one and all from the same source? Are we not all one with the universal mind substance, God? Are we not all one great family? Is not every child, everyone born, no matter the caste or creed, a member of this great family? You ask if we believe death is avoidable. Let me answer in the words of the Siddha. The human body is built up from the individual cell, like the bodies of plants and animals, whom we love to call younger and less evolved brothers. The individual cell is a minute microscopic unit of the body. By a process of growth and division repeated many times, this minute nucleus of a cell unit results at last in a complete human being, built up of almost countless millions of cells. These body cells specialize for certain different functions, but they retain, in the main, the characteristics of the individual cell whence they arose. This individual cell may be looked upon as the torch-bearer of animate life. It passes on from generation to generation the latent fires of God, the vitality of all living beings with an unbroken ancestry reaching back to the time when life first appeared on this planet. This individual cell has the property of unlimited youth. But what about the group cells called the body? The group cells arose from the individual cell, repeated many times, retaining its individual characteristics, one which is the latent fire of life, or eternal youth. The group cells, or body, function as guardian of the individual cell only during the short span of life as you know it now. The most ancient of our teachers, by inspirational means, perceived the truth of the fundamental unity of life reactions in plant and animal. We can well imagine these teachers beneath the spreading banyan addressing their pupils as follows.